Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you what causes a lifter tick and what causes a misfire, right? So as you can see, look at this crankshaft right here. I'm sorry, this this is a camshaft, right? This is the camshaft, and the camshafts have these little lobes over here. And as these little lobes spin, it compresses these intake and exhaust little things right here, and we're trying to move it so you can get a quick view. You see that lobe is going down, pushing it down, and then as it spins, comes back up again. Well, this one is super worn out, and it's not opening or closing this one right here, and you can hear it rattling. So this is a big issue. Because of this, we had to replace and remove everything just to get to it. But that's kind of how the crankshaft works. It has these little lobes, and it opens and closes the valves as they go. So this is what a defective crankshaft looks like. So the crankshaft is worn out because this thing is seized right here. So we are ordering a kit of lifters and valves and crankshafts all the way around. Well, there you have it, guys. That's also how you move the chain around. You move it from the crankshaft pulley down there all the way at the bottom and spin it.